Ladles and jelly spoons, welcome back to Badgerworks. Just a quickie today, stop laughing at the back. Now this is a wheel from a project that I'm working on at the moment, and one of the things I see people talk about a lot and complain about is masking wheels and how difficult it is and time consuming and all the rest of it. So I just wanted to show you a quick way of masking wheels, and it is this. This is a circle template. I got this from eBay. I think it was about £2. And it's basically a series of holes from 1mm up to I think that's 36mm. And they're very handy for masking wheels. Let me show you what I mean. So if we take this wheel here and we put this in the appropriate hole, now I've already looked at this, and it's 6.5mm. That fits very nicely in there. So now, if I take a bit of masking tape and mask off this hole, or mask off the surrounding holes I should say, like that, we can pop the wheel in there and we can paint it. I shall demonstrate. Hold the wheel in the right place. Take our airbrush, which is loaded with the appropriate paint, and just and there we go. One perfectly painted wheel, and it only took a couple of seconds. No need to mask anything. Quick, easy, job done. So yeah, I hope this has been interesting to you. It's something I learned a long time ago. It's very, very useful. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, bye.